Apache Camel using Bean component. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Bean component in Apache Camel. In my previous video, I show you how to use JMS component in Apache Camel, but today we're going to learn a new component, Apache Camel component. Okay, all right, let's get started. So as same as last time, we use the same dependency. So this is for JMS. Actually, for this demo, we don't need this anymore. What we need is sorry about that. What I'm saying is this one. This is for JMS component, IBM MQ. Okay. Then this for this demo, we only need this dependency, camel dependency. Okay. So last time, again, we because of the JMS component, we of course we need to use a broker like IBM MQ, but for Bean component, we do not need any JMS related stuff. Okay, so let's go straight to our camel configuration. So previously, as you remember, we used JMS component. So we have this. Anyway, for this demo, I'll show you. I will show you the difference. So I will uncomment both. So this is as I demo last time, JMS component. When the sender send a request to this endpoint, it will be redirected to JMS component using this queue name. Then for this demo, I'll show you, teach you another Apache components, which is Bean component. So as you can see, instead of JMS, we use Bean. All right. So Bean component, the format is basically after using the Bean component, Bean prefix, we have to put the name of the bean, right? So here the name of the bean is test bean. That's why we have to define a bean, spring bean, with this, using this name, test bean. So I created a new bean, this one, test bean. All right. So we have to implement a processor interface for this one, so that camel would can pass the message to this method, right? So you have to implement this process method. We implement this interface, and implement this method, right? So for this demo, we just print out whatever we receive, whatever message we receive. Okay, so then that's it. We can test our endpoints. So here I created two endpoints. One is for JMS. This is the same as the one I demo last time, and this is the new one, the Bean component. Right, let's run it and see the difference. Okay, so for this first endpoint, it will be sent to JMS component as per our configuration. Okay, the first endpoint is sending to hello1. This is JMS component. Then the second endpoint, see, first endpoint, right? First endpoint will be sending to JMS. Second endpoint, hello2, will be sending to our Bean component. All right, let's check again. First component, which is hello1, to JMS, and second endpoint, which is using hello2, will be sent to Bean component. All right, so let's go back to our Bean component, which is this one, test Bean. So again, for this, we need to implement the processor interface, which is provided by Camel library, right? Processor. So here is our implementation. All right, let's test it. So we put again, let's go back to our tester. So for the test, let's clear this first so we don't get confused. So first one, test one, we expect this message to be received in JMS component, right? So let's this hi, this is Camel. Okay, let's change the message so it will be clear. This is Apache Camel to send to for JMS client to process. This one is this is Apache Camel for Bean component to process. Okay, so it's clear. Okay, let's run again. So this is the first message we expect to receive in our JMS client. So let's try this one first. Test one. All right. So this is our message. This is Apache Camel for JMS client, right? So this is as discussed previously. This is for JMS, right? All right. So let's try the second one, the new component, which is Bean component. All right. So this is the Bean. That's Bean. All right. The message. So this is the message. This is Apache for Bean component to process. All right. I hope it's clear. So again, this new component we configured here. The test2 is sending to this endpoint to redirect to our test bin, which is bin component, right? Bin component, the name of the bin is test bin. This is the one, the test bin. So all requests sending to this this endpoint will be redirected to this bin component, which is this one. All right. Yeah. So I hope it's clear, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.